Today we are looking at two Oliver 240 gravity table density separators. These particular units are sold, but we have more units like this in inventory. These units have been completely mechanically sound, tuned up, and upgraded with things like the flush mount filters and gauges. These units are set up with VFD control on the eccentric shake. This allows you to infinitely tailor the speed of the shake for fine separation. These units also have the aluminum deck carriage right here. This is much more desirable than the carbon steel deck carriage. These units have been meticulously inspected, repaired, cleaned for international shipment. These units are going out. As I said, these particular units are sold, but these units, we have more units like this in inventory. This particular unit has been upgraded with the grease bank package for ease of maintenance. These are both a right and a left hand. How you determine that is the discharge end. When you are facing the discharge end, the motorized blender will be on the left or the right hand side. So this would be a left hand unit, this would be a right hand unit. As I said, all of these machines have been cleaned, serviced, inspected by our crew here at CTI. We specialize in bringing this old equipment back into operating spec, and we have the world's largest inventory of new and used seed and grain processing equipment. We're now going to fire this unit up. Gonna fire up the VFD. Watch the shake fire up. This unit is counterbalanced, runs smooth. Of course, gravity tables have to be anchored to a secure, heavy-duty base to separate. They must be anchored down properly. As I said, the VFD control allows you to tailor the exact speed for precise separation. Shut that down now. We're now going to fire up the fans in the unit. You can see the unit starts strong, runs strong. Everything on both of these units has been meticulously inspected and cleaned. These machines are ready to go to work and perform in the field for a long time. Both of the decks have been cleaned and serviced, checked over for any fatigue or wear. They are in perfect condition. This would be the right-hand deck. Here we are looking at the left-hand deck. Again, everything has been cleaned, serviced, and inspected. These are in perfect condition. They will be mounted on top of the gravity table density separators shortly. Here you can see we have the next machine running. As I said, this unit is controlled with a VFD, so you can simply just tailor the speed of the shake on this machine infinitely, just by turning this knob here. We're going to turn the fans on now. See the unit out right to light. We have the motorized blender running. Here at Commodity Traders International, we specialize in all things seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. We have the world's largest inventory. Thank you so much for watching.